How to verify Meta business account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, you will have to first know whether you are going to require verification or not, as not all the businesses require verification. If you want to access certain features and technologies on Meta, only then you would be requiring to complete the verification. Also, when you are starting out verification, know whether you're eligible for the verification or not. If you are if you are eligible, then you would be able to see the verification email or also start verification button on your security center. If in case you're not able to see the start verification button in your security center, then make sure that you are selling up the right products, and for that the business verification is required. So if you are required to verification, then you would be receiving a notification or an email in your email address regarding this, and just simply click on that particular email in order to follow up that instructions and verify your business. And and you must be in full control of your business portfolio in order to verify it. Also, earlier it used to call Meta Business, but now they are rebranding it and making the changes in it, and it will be called Business Portfolio in future. And if you provide any false information about your business, then make sure to face the consequences, as they will be just removing the business and verification, and if you don't follow the procedures according to their rules and regulations. Also, if you want to verify, just simply go to the business manager's security center, and over there you will be able to find the option of start verification. Just simply click on it. After that, you need to provide your business details, including your legal business name, address, phone number, website. Make sure that you provide correct details, and after that you need to confirm your business details, and this way you would be able to upload them. In case if you are not able to match up the details with your legal business details and the details that you have provided, then just simply upload the supporting documents on Meta, and this way you would be able to justify your information regarding your business. And after that, choose the method to confirm your connection, whether you want to confirm your business verification using email address, phone number, text message or WhatsApp message, and this way you would be able to verify. And when it is done, you just have to wait for the verification notification from the Meta. It might take as long as 14 working days in some cases, but it can be done in 10 minutes as well. So just wait for a while and let the Meta do its work. After a while, you will get to know about it. And this is how you will be able to verify your business on Meta. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.